Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making rosemary potatoes and Parmesan asparagus. These sides are quick and delicious. The rosemary with the potatoes and the Parmesan with the asparagus makes for an excellent match. So let's get started making these yummy sides. Let's get into the ingredients. 5 yellow potatoes, 1 bundle of asparagus, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, a half a tablespoon of rosemary, 1/8 teaspoon of thyme, a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. In a large bowl, mix together potatoes, red pepper flakes, thyme, rosemary, garlic powder, salt, oil. Spread all the potatoes out evenly. Bake at 425 for 20 to 30 minutes. Next, mix together asparagus, oil, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, level out the asparagus evenly. Bake at 425 for 20 to 30 minutes. Look at these tasty sides. I hope you enjoyed this video. These sides will bring lots of flavors to your main dish. Give this a try and let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel to give your support. And I'll see you guys on my next video.